Got one nut. You never have to replace the nut. So you spin it on. You can see that the threads are a little screwed up there. So the Pro Torque nut was always a nut that can help the threads. So I don't know if it's the nut or if it's my threads. It might be the nut. So anyway, you would walk it on just like you did the other one till the seal gets tight. Okay? Seal gets installed. Now, set your torque wrench to 200 foot-pounds. Okay? Once again, click, spin, click, spin, click, spin. Okay? That's at 200 foot-pounds. Now what you want to do, release it one full turn.
Okay.
Okay?
One full turn.
One full turn.
Just like the other one.
Just like the other one. Hand tight. Set your torque wrench to 100 foot-pounds. Remember the double nut was 50? We want 100. Once again, at 100, click, spin, click,
Three times.
spin, click, spin. 3 times. So, final back off. You see these raised marks right here?
Which one, sorry?
These raised marks, see these?
Okay.
Those little dots.
Yeah, so what you want to do is, I line up a stud hole
Yeah.
and bring this one back. Okay?
So 1/4 of a.
Basically. And that's on all steer drive and trailer.
Okay.
So, now, you don't put the keeper in. You grab a dial indicator. Push. 3, pull, 5. Oh shit. Tighten it up. Push, 2, pull, 1, 3. So that's what you do. If it's too tight, you'll loosen it. That's why it's so advantageous. It's
Yeah.
quick,
Very
it's
quick.
easy. So now, what you want to do, grab your keeper, make sure it doesn't bind up in there. You see how it's binding up in there?
Yeah.
So if that's the case, what I would do, so we know we're at 3, so we can even loosen it up a little bit. Okay. You should be able to just to put that down in there. So there's something's definitely wrong with this nut. It's not going in very well. There we go. Well, see, it's still tight right here. So anyway, so you can't force it in like that. It should go in right with your hand. Let me try something else. So the nut was screwed up.
Yeah. Okay.
So then it should pop in like that, okay? So ours has a hole right here. You put the keeper in that way, and you hammer it in, and it locks it in. So when you go to take this keeper out, you pull it out, you should be able to spin that off with your hand.
If not, it's over tight, right?
That means
Yeah, if you have to use a breaker bar to get it off, it was way too tight. I think I need to throw this nut away because I think it's the nut.